Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Good evening to you, or good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you're seeing this video from, guys. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you this amazing recipe on my channel. You guys see that I'm dropping food. Yes, I want to start dropping food content on my channel now, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, like, give this video a thumbs up. In here, I'll be showing with you how to make this delicious fried rice with fish. It's not only when you have chicken that you can make fried rice, guys. If you have fish in your fridge, you can use it and make it. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime we post a new video, guys. Let's get started, guys. Here is all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. My green beans, guys, and my curry. I'm using turmeric for coloring of the food. You can use oricoli for the coloring of the food, but I use turmeric for my own. And here is my fish, guys, my sliced onions, and my carrot and other ingredients. So in here, I'll be preparing my fish first. I have already washed the fish, guys. So after adding my fish in the pot, I go in with my seasoning cube, guys. After adding in my seasoning cube, I add in the salt to taste. So after adding in the salt, I go in again with my masala curry. Guys, try this masala curry, you will love it. It's so great. The taste is so delicious, guys. So after adding in the masala curry, you have to add in water so that it will help to cook your fish very well. So after cooking our fish for some minutes, we have to make sure that our fish is well done before we remove it from the fire. You go in with the onions, is optional. If you like, you can add onions. If you don't like, you leave it. So guys, but make sure to add onions. It's very healthy and good, and it also brings out the taste of the food, guys. So after adding in all the seasoning for the cooking of the fish, so we have to cover our pot and allow it to boil for some minutes before we get into the next step. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to this extent. Please subscribe, share. You can see our fish is done after some minutes, guys. So we have to get started with the next step. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and turn on your notification bell for more.